Hey guys, I'm making an avocado smoothie my mom taught me to make, and I really like it. And let's get started. This part is where you take out the avocado. Always take out the seed. It's not good to eat. Split it if you want. I'm gonna split it. You really just need a butter knife and a spoon and milk. Maybe some sugar too. And I'm gonna get a napkin. It can get really messy. Now put it in the avocado. I like to take it with the butter knife and then just take it out with the spoon. I'm gonna cut some up actually. I'm gonna cut this one. It's a bit big. It's really good. And if you can't see, I'm actually putting it in a blender. Let's piece cut. Okay, let me use the napkin. This is it right here. Really nice. Now, we have to put the milk. First, we open the milk. It's really big. Okay. We put it up to half. You can put a bit more than half. I don't really care, honestly, but that's it. There. Then you have to clean the spoon. Let's clean it. I got it all dirty, man, because you gotta put sugar in it. Okay, sorry, that took a while. Take the sugar. You take this. You take a spoon, right? You put it in. You put 3 spoons. You can do one more if you want. That's all right. Now you put the cap on. It's done. And if you want to see, this is it. Might look a bit disgusting, but that's just how it is. And first you start out. Oh shoot. Plug. There we go. Shoot. Sounds like a train. That's good. I'm gonna watch this. And that's how you make avocado smoothie, guys. My mom taught me a bit. Mom, you want to say something? All right. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.